Hello and welcome to Kyle's Car Vlog. Today we are going to be looking over my 2002 BMW E46 330xi. So I purchased this in San Diego, California for $2,500, and I purchased it because I thought all of the maintenance was done to it. I had a friend from out there go look at it for me, and he said that the axles, axle boots were just replaced, and spark plugs were just replaced, coil packs were just replaced, and everything should be good to go. Interior looked okay. It had just 162,000 miles on it, and if you know anything about an M54, that's not too many miles for them. One thing that did bother me about the car is that it leaked oil. Once I went and picked it up, I noticed that it leaked a little bit, but that was an easy fix. It ended up just being the oil filter housing gasket, which was, I think, a $6 gasket. It took me about 2 hours to replace, but it was worth it. But I flew out on a Friday night, and I drove home to Minnesota, and I got back by Monday morning. I did have one problem on the way back, and that was that the coolant tank exploded while I was in Colorado in the mountains. It just started snowing because it was late August, so apparently that happens over in Colorado. I'm used to snow, so that wasn't a problem for me. It was just the car did not like the cooler weather, and the coolant tank just ruptured because it's plastic. So I got that repaired, and I drove home the rest of the way flawlessly. The radio was nice. I did appreciate the hi-fi stereo, but one thing I didn't like about the interior is at that point, the fan control did not work, and that was because it needed a heater final stage resistor. But once I replaced that when I got home, the heater and AC worked totally fine. So I purchased it at 162,000 miles. I drove it 2,000 miles home, drove it around for a little while. Once I got home, I cleared up the headlights, as you can see. I bought Series 68 wheels for it and Blizzak tires, which I thought would be a great addition because it was going to be my winter vehicle, but I didn't end up keeping it. I listed it for sale for $4,000, and within a week I had 3 people come out and look at it, and the first person offered the $4,000 and purchased it. Yep, as you can see, 164,000 miles. I cleaned up the leather interior once I got it home, replaced the battery, and just drove it around. Cleared up the headlights and just drove it around for fun because it was a 330 and it had that strong M54. But yeah, thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe for more future content.